Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel today. We're diving into the world of JDM sports cars and why the Nissan 350Z stands out among the rest. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about performance. The Nissan 350Z is equipped with a powerful V6 engine that delivers an exhilarating driving experience. With up to 300 horsepower and a responsive handling, it's a thrill to drive on both the street and the track. Next, let's discuss the timeless design of the 350Z. From its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette to its aggressive front grille, the 350Z commands attention wherever it goes. Plus, with iconic features like the distinctive headlights and bulging fenders, it's a true head-turner. One of the things that makes the 350Z truly special is its wide range of customization options, whether you're into performance upgrades, aesthetic modifications, or both. The 350Z offers endless possibilities for personalization, from aftermarket body kits to upgraded exhaust systems. The sky is the limit when it comes to making your 350Z unique. Another reason why the 350Z is the best JDM sports car is the strong community and support network behind it. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a newcomer to the scene, there's a thriving community of 350Z owners who are always ready to offer advice, share experiences, and connect with fellow enthusiasts. Plus, with a wide range of aftermarket parts and specialist workshops dedicated to the 350Z, maintaining and upgrading your car has never been easier. Last but not least, let's talk about value for money. Despite its impressive performance and iconic status, the 350Z remains relatively affordable compared to other JDM sports cars in its class. Whether you're buying new or used, the 350Z offers unbeatable bang for your buck, making it accessible to a wide range of enthusiasts who want to experience the thrill of owning a legendary sports car without breaking the bank. And there you have it, folks. Those are our top 5 reasons why the Nissan 350Z is the ultimate JDM sports car. Do you agree with our list? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.